So when you make a composite shot, you set a certain resolution to it. So over here you can see that I have this composite shot right here, and this composite shot has a certain resolution set over here. But what you may want to do is you may want to go around and change the resolution as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto composite shot properties right here. And once the composite shot is made, you can see that the resolution is set to 1280 by 720. And if you want to go around and change it, you can go around and choose a template right here just like this, or go around and then change out the resolution over here manually as well by clicking and dragging it, or by typing it right here, or by you can go around and match the timeline right here just like this. But I'm just going to go around and set it to, let's say for example, 1080p full SD 24 frames per second right here, and press OK. And what happens is that the composite shot will be composite shot resolution will be changed. But over here you can see that the video itself does not actually change out, because the video resolution is lower, and you can see that you get more space in the composite shot over here. If I were to go around over here onto let's say for example onto template and choose something smaller, so let's just go around and select out 720 by 480 right here just like this. So if I were to go around and make it smaller right here and press OK, now you can see that the video right here is much more larger. That is because the resolution area for this composite shot is smaller. So that is how you can go around and change out the composite shot resolution inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.